Working on ROBLOX game development and need to open RBXM model files? These are 3D model assets used in the ROBLOX Studio environment. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to import and edit these ROBLOX model files. Consider this your first line of defense. A universal viewer bypasses many common RBXM. Windows errors. This is my personal favorite utility for this task, and I will be discussing it soon. RBXM files are model files used by ROBLOX Studio containing 3D objects, scripts, properties, and assemblies for use in ROBLOX games. They store complete model hierarchies with parts, meshes, textures, scripts, and behaviors, enabling sharing and reuse of game elements across ROBLOX development projects. RBXM files use ROBLOX's proprietary binary format, storing object hierarchies with property values, references, and embedded scripts. The structure contains instance trees representing parts, models, scripts, and other ROBLOX objects with full property serialization for accurate model reconstruction in ROBLOX Studio. The source application for RBXM is frequently listed as ROBLOX from ROBLOX Corporation. Windows can read the file name, but the internal archive contents require specialized extraction. Windows cannot display scripting or binary game data, so proper handling requires the original engine. Initiate the compatibility test by right-clicking your RBXM file and selecting Open With. If ROBLOX is on your PC, test it. If not, select another program from the list and see if it works. If your RBXM file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. Understanding the failure makes the fix easier. Before we use the universal tool, let's examine the common technical reasons behind this persistent error. First, opening in ROBLOX Studio. Launch ROBLOX Studio and open or create a project. Use File, then Insert from File, and select the RBXM file. The model loads into the workspace with all parts, scripts, properties, and child objects intact, ready for placement modification or integration into your game environment. Next, inserting via right-click. Within ROBLOX Studio, right-click in the Explorer panel on Workspace or any container object and select Insert from File. Browse to the RBXM file to insert the model directly into the chosen parent object. This provides precise control over where the model appears in your game hierarchy. Finally, sharing via Toolbox. Upload RBXM models to the ROBLOX Toolbox by saving as a model in Studio, then publishing to your inventory or the marketplace. This enables sharing models with other developers and reusing across multiple games. Models can be marked public or private, depending on sharing preferences. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.